moyo ekware ya yekore manye umbanzanga umbanzange moyo ekware ya yekore manye umbanzanga okunza ya diake moyo babo kwenda kwa kumuna vinye yenza lwaloso ikuza ya kwakwe moyo watuwa wanavaye tokake siaza ya kwaku Dimbwe moyo ekware wawa wana vamba mwanzile mwatale dimbu wabebelyo mwana tata kordoni wayiyombelwe wabebele oya wabebele yekore manye umbanzanga umbanzange moyo ekware yekore manye umbanzanga umbanzange moyo ekware yekore manye umbanzanga.
Have you heard of the term BMV, below market value? Well, this is a below market value property.
Yambulangenda kinzonzi mumenga kena luyufula tatambemba mama luyufula tatambemba Yambulangenda kinzonzi mumenga kena luyufula tatambemba mama luyufula tatambemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina besikinzasa mama luyufula tatambemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina pena kuzongu yaya luyufula tatambemba Yambulangende Yambulangende mama luyufula tatambemba Yambulangende Yambulangende mama luyufula tatambemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina bana bakala si mama luyufula tatambemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina bana bakala si mama luyufula tatambemba Yambulangende Yambulangende mama luyufula tatambemba mama tatambemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina pena kuzongu yaya luyufula tatambemba Yambulangenda kinzonzi mumenga kena luyufula tatambemba mama luyufula tatambemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina besikinzasa mama luyufula tatambemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina pena kuzongu yaya luyufula tatambemba Yambulangenda kinzonzi mumenga kena luyufula tatambemba mama luyufula tatambemba Yambulangende mama,
Fulata tambe.
Yambulangende, Yambulangende mama,
Fulata tambe.
Atamemba kitonzi mumenga kena baunina bana bakala si mama.
Fulata tambe.
Yambulangenda kitonzi mumenga kena luyu fulata tambemba mama.
Fulata tambe.
Yambulangende, Yambulangende mama.
Fulata tambe.
Mama.
What is a person's knowledge and experience actually worth? 20k a year? 50k?
Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa ne bata imba bange, mame ya yenka kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa ne bata imba bange, mame ya yenka kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa ne bata imba bange, mame ya yepiri mo mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa ne bata imba bange, mame ya yenka kero mayaya. Imba bange yono kwanda papa ndeke bata kya mwene kwe, nembane kakero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa ne bata imba bange, ya yenka kakero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa ne bata imba bange, ya yenka kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa ne bata imba bange, mame ya yenka kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kunda tele yo imba bange, mame ya yenka kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa ne bata imba bange, mame ya yenka kero mayaya. Ya mwene kwe mama, yono kunga buzila kya mwene kwe, embane piri mu mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kungwa ne bata imba bange, mame ya yenka kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kungwa ne bata imba bange, mame ya yenka kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa ne bata imba bange, ya yenka kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa ne bata imba bange, mame ya yenka kero mayaya.
Drinking warm water before bed shrinks a swollen prostate overnight. Thousands of men are regaining
Muno muntu leke mutandile, Mari tandile.
Bevanda kufungu yaye muno kwani batabinge, muno kwani batabinge.
Ah, de mon amour, maman. Muno muntu leke mutandile Bevanda kufungu yaye muno kwani batabinge Atata Angwangazi Muno muntu leke mutandile Mari tandile Evanda kufungu yaye muno kwani batabinge Mama Ata Kintione Belomba lusani suya mwe Ketina no batela moe Kala ekamwe Kintione Belomba lusani suya mwe Ketina no batela moe Kala ekamwe Bani tata, bani mama, bani ngwangasi, bani ankentu. Belomba lusani suya mwe Ketina no batela moe Kala ekamwe Kintione Belomba lusani suya mwe Ketina no batela moe Kala ekamwe Kala ekamwe Kintione Belomba lusani suya mwe Ketina no batela moe Kala ekamwe Kala ekamwe Inzonzi kibakuta Kala emakuta
Gambote. Can you hear me? Gambote. Tata David
Kimbote.
on mute. Gambote, oh, brother. Man. Tata Ditondele. Welcome. Let me just check. Yes. Sister, she's hiding. Okay, never mind.
No,
Thank you very much for the
she's
time,
on her
Tata
way.
Adri. You better now, I guess.
Yeah, well, not really. I mean,
Oh.
Sundays is getting difficult, but I'm still trying to hang in there. And the thing I want to tell you is, I think I told you last time. When I went on vacation, I think I left my notes.
We're alive. We talk later.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Dutonde, don't want to say, brother. Tata David Dutondele. Thank you for your time. Nengwa Cadence. Thank you very much.
Tutondele. Kiambote.
Tutondele.
Candace.
Kiambote.
Arjun.
Oh, thank you very
Kimbote.
much.
Brother
You are
David,
brave people, you
missed
know. You are
Kiambote.
brave, yeah. Kikongo, we Congo people, we value women, see? Women is at this, I mean, everything revolves around women. I mean, Tata David, remember Luvila? When we're talking about Luvila, genealogy, but Congo genealogy. Yes. Let me just give the audience. If you are watching, we thank you very much. This is a Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, the DRC, and the Republic of Congo. Yes, thank you for the time. We're going back to because you missed this one. This one was last Sunday. We're talking. Yes, it is about. Wait. Personal pronoun. I mean, because Tata David, not Tata David, Tata Allen raised the question. It was about the standard. How do you call it? A pattern. Tata David, remember? Yes. So I managed to do something just to make it easy for us to learn. To have. I mean, let me just display. You're going to understand. Let me display my paper. So, yes, bear with
Connection
me.
today seems slow and weak.
Sorry? Tata David, can you hear me?
Our connection today seems a little slow. I hope yeah.
Oh, okay. How is Los Angeles? It was snowing last.
Say that again.
It was snowing. Was it last week? Snow
Oh
in
yeah,
your
it's
town.
been unusually cold out here
Yeah.
in California for some reason. It's normally hot.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is. Let me just go to the last slide. Tata Audrey, can you read for us, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Kikongo syntax relies heavily on grammatical mood, verb, grammatical tense. In B, the above pattern personal pronouns may not be applicable to other moods or tenses. Syntax, the arrangement of words and phrases to create well-formed sentences in a language.
Thank you very much. Let me just try to highlight it. I mean, for the native, this is not issue, but someone's learning language because the pattern are not. Let me check. Just say the shifting, code encode the shifting. I mean, they're not standard fixed. We are going to learn today about the personal pronoun, but those personal pronouns only applicable. This is the condition, yes? Are you with me? Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes. In this special case, we're talking about present continuous. Yes. So let me just go back to my first slide. Yes. This is by coincidence, is your I in English. I am, you, second person, K-A, K-E, third. I think the plural is fine. T-U, remember plural is the same, yes? Two, yeah? L-U, Lu, B-A or B-E. Then we have, you can say Ita or Ite, depending on the region, see?
Oh yeah, that's what I missed. Okay.
Yeah, the last vowel could be E or A. Let me just give you, we come back to that. Let me just give you one practical one. See here, we always try to find the common denominator. In my area, I am from Kwilufuta. In my area, we don't say Kiambote, we say Kiambota. See? See the A there?
Yeah.
Yeah, the last vowel depends on region. Some people E, A, even I. So, Kiambote, Kiambota, Kiembote, even. Some people, instead of saying Kiambote, they say Kiembote. Diamatondo, Diamatondo, Kiamena. Are you with me? Any questions?
No questions so far.
Oh, thank you very much. That's the main thing here is as long as matching mood, the tense, it should be fine. Just stick to that. So it is. We're talking about present continuous. Salu, let me just. Salu itavanga literally means work I'm doing, but I'm working. Yes, correct. Yes.
Okay, so it's
Salu is work. Work. Sala. Remember, we have two sala. We have the long vowel, meaning Tata David. Can you help long vowel? The usual one we use. Sala gambote.
Right. Stay or remain.
Yeah, stay. Yeah, stay. Yeah. Sala, the long vowel. Sala gambote. This one, the short is work. Salu, work.
Just so.
This is the verb. This is the verb to work. Yes. Salu ita sala or ite sala. I'm working. I mean, literally work. I'm doing. I'm working. Any question on this one? Is it clear? Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
This is it. So we're talking about. This is the present continuous. Going to the market. Market is Zandu. Yeah? Market. Zandu. I'm going to the market. Kuzandu itakwenda. So let's put in English. This is your I am, you. Let's go by consider you are. K-A or K-E-T-U as usual. L-U plural and B-A. Yes. Audrey, can you read for us? Let's read Kikongo, please. Thank you.
Kuzandu.
Kuzandu.
Ita.
Kwenda.
Kwenda.
Yeah, don't worry about. Don't worry. I mean, this is another option, but I want to make it easy. Don't worry about this one. General people say ngita kwenda, but we want to make sure that people can learn our language. Otherwise, we're going to lose it.
And they'll understand you anyway if you just say ita or ite.
They will, yeah. They understand, yes. That's the question, Tata Dev, yes? Tata question, Tata Dev, sorry, what was the question?
Oh, not a question. I was just saying people would still understand you even if they're used to saying ita,
like
and you just say ita or ite.
Yeah, as any other language in the world, yes? People, we say, as we always say, you say potato, I say potato. Even in England, we have many accents, yes. Different accents. Kuzandu, uta, ute, yes. Tata Audrey, over to you, please. Kuzandu, don't worry about this. Kuzandu itakwenda.
You want me to read it?
Please.
Kuzandu itakwenda.
Carry on, please. Second person. Kuzandu,
the third.
Second person. The second line, please. Carry on.
Kuzandu uta kwenda.
Well done.
Kuzandu ka or k kwenda. That's the fourth person. Kuzandu.
Third. This is the third.
Third person. Yeah, I'm sorry. Kuzandu tu kwenda.
Tuta kwenda. Don't miss this one. Don't miss
tuta. Okay.
Because
okay,
sorry, brother. Sorry, you could say tuta or tute. Yes.
Okay. Wait, I should have wrote that down. Tuta. Okay. I'll say it again. Kuzandu tuta kwenda. Kuzandu luta kwenda.
Well done.
Writing it down. Kuzandu ba or be kwenda.
Yes, I did send you the file. Remember, I did send the file last week. Yeah, I did send this file. Yes, thank you very much, brother. Yes. Karen, are you brave enough? Can you try to read, sister, please? Kuzandu.
Okay. Kuzandu ita ingita kwenda.
Don't worry about this. This is the other alternative. Yeah.
Okay. Kuzandu itakwenda.
Thank you.
Kuzandu utakwenda. Kuzandu kata kwenda or
Well done.
keta kwenda. Kuzandu tutakwenda. Kuzandu lutakwenda. Kuzandu batakwenda.
Well done. Well done. Well done. Tata David, please. Thank you, sister.
Sure. Kuzandu itakwenda. Kuzandu utakwenda. Kuzandu katakwenda. Kuzandu tutakwenda. Kuzandu lutakwenda. Kuzandu batakwenda.
Well done. Well done. Yes. Any question? No? We're okay. Maza is water, but in the village, I mean, I live in the village with my grandmother. In the village, when I say village, I mean village, in the bush. Yes. No, we don't like people, we don't like saying bush because we don't like people saying that the bush, because this is what Portuguese used to say to us. We live in the bush. No. Our villages. Yes. You call yours farm, then you call our land where we live bush. See, this is how they did.
I just personally say village myself.
Yeah, of course, the village. Yes.
I think that's the more I don't know, European way of saying you're wild or some kind of prejudice thing. But yeah.
Okay. I'm just trying to do some exercise here. Maza is water, but in the village we use maza. When you're going for bath, we go to the river, small river, of course. We have a bath. We say we're going maza. We're going kuna maza. Maza water, river, but we use maza. Can you change just the first one, zandu to maza? Kumaza, I'm going to water to the river. Tata David, please.
Kumaza itakwenda.
Thank you very much. Wow, yeah.
Okay.
You
want me to go all the way down? Yeah.
Please.
Kumaza utakwenda. Kumaza katakwenda. Kumaza tutakwenda. Kumaza lutakwenda. Kumaza batakwenda.
Tutondele. Question will be, I think you should be good on this. You should be fun on this. Where are you going? I think we're a long time now. Let me just give you try to help here. Did it, but it's a long time ago now. Let me just try to.
So I just have a quick question. I'm just retaking my notes. So the for the first one, I am, and then the second, the Uta rather, is I am. You are.
You singular. Yeah, that's what you know. These in bold. These are your personal pronoun. Yeah. I am as a first singular. You as a W. One W. Y-O-U, yeah, in English, you. This is third person. T-U. Are we okay? I want you to get this. Very important. Get this, yes.
Yeah. So the K.
These are first person.
Okay. So I am you. We, right? So the ka is we.
No, we is here. This is first singular, first plural. Sorry.
Okay. So what is the kata or kata?
This is further singular. K. Either. I mean, usually
he or she.
Yeah.
Is what?
He or she.
Okay.
So further singular. This line, third singular. I was about to ask a question. I think you should be okay. I'm just leaving this on the screen. If I do this, that means que.
So what is lu? Luta?
Yeah, lu second plural. This one, lu. LU.
It's they.
Third plural is the BA or BE. They. Second is my pointer. So this one, you talking about this one, sister?
Yes.
Lu? Yeah, this is your second plural.
Which is what?
You many, yes, you many.
Okay.
Wait, you said
K.
you.
Yeah, you plural.
Yeah,
Okay.
plural, yes.
You.
Just write this down. This one, IUKA. Make it easy. Just drop this. Don't worry about this. I just want you to fix, to focus one thing. They make it easy. Ignore this, yes? Same thing. IUKA KTULUBA, yes? Ignore the second one. Make it easy. But just as long as his present continues, we have this. Okay?
Okay.
This is your test.
Okay, where?
Dr. David, this is your test. Yeah. Where is just where. Everything is on the board. Ask someone, where are you going? Everything on the board, yes? Our present continues there.
Okay.
Ask second person, someone. Second single, of course. Dr. David, yes? Where are you going?
Kwenda would be asking him or her.
Well done. Yeah, bravo. But you fed. But ask Tata. You're talking Tata Audrey. Ask him, where is he going?
Okay, Tata Adre. Kwenda. Or no.
Your personal pronoun.
Kwenda.
Well done, bravo. Yeah, everything is there.
So do I answer?
Yeah. Your line is there.
Ku Zandu Ita Kwenda.
Bravo, yes.
Sure.
Yeah, you're talking Kikongo, you know? You're talking the language of our ancestors, yeah? People that invented jazz music. Did you know that?
No, I didn't know the jazz.
Did you know that jazz music? No. This documented. This
no, I didn't know that it was it's a Bantu. I didn't know that.
Oh no. We did it from Cuba. Rumba, the famous dance, African dance, Congo people, you know.
Yeah.
Rumba actually is the Rumba originally. I mean, we can't blame them. They couldn't pronounce Kikongo. Rumba, famous African dance. David. I'm sure you know that. David. David, you are Congo. Can you display? We can't see your T-shirt, Tata David. Can you show your T-shirt, please? We need to see your Congo. Tata David got Congo.
Yeah, it's true. You
Congo
know,
club.
yes.
Congo,
if you ever come here, do a pilgrimage to Congo Square in New Orleans.
Yeah, New Orleans. Yeah, we have Congo Square. Congo Square.
Oh wow, I didn't know that. Okay.
No.
Yeah, I think I've heard of that. I think I've heard of that.
It was
Congo
Catholic,
Square.
it was a Catholic area, so they used to give Sunday off to the enslaved people.
Yeah.
And they could go on Sunday to Congo Square and play music and dance.
Yeah. Yes. And guess how jazz was born? Jazz was born out of Louisiana. Yeah? Louisiana was the French state, country state. It was sold to America. So the French people, French army, when they went to army, they went to fight. I mean, it's war. Sometimes they ran off, they left the instrument, saxophone, all this stuff. Then our ancestors used to collect that and try to play. Yes? Are you with me? This is how it was born. Louis Armstrong, he is from Kongo Kingdom, K.O., Congo.
Yeah.
Yes, Louis Armstrong, yes. Jazz was born. I mean, we are the. When you're talking jazz, then just follow the. As they said, the rest is history. after jazz came, you know, all those children, yeah, from jazz,
Yeah. Blues
music
and
from
rock and
bronze.
roll.
Yeah, music, jazz, you name them, yeah.
Yeah, just
So you
follow
should be
the.
proud. You should be proud of our ancestors, yeah.
Hmm.
They are gone, but we are here. We have to talk. I mean, if you don't do that, no one is going to do it. No one is going to do it for us, you know. Nkumba, umbilicus. This is rumba, yes. Congo, slave in Cuba, yeah. That I have a video clip, but it is in French, yes. Even the name Colombia comes from Kikongo, Kulum. Let me write it down. Kulomba, Kulomba. I mean, it is hard, you know. When you think about our ancestors, sad, you know, we can't go back.
So like if we knew like the words, we can start putting all the puzzle together. I can put it, you know,
Oh,
if I can.
yeah, you bet, yeah.
Hmm.
Kulomba. When you say Colombia, Kulomba was a dance ceremony. They used to, I mean, I can't explain the word because the video is in French. They used to dance after work. They did have their own religious ceremony, all this stuff. So, Kulomba.
Number.
Wedding, yes. Actually, wedding, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. The main priest was called Tata, yes. Okay. That's good. Thank you. Okay, diversion. Let us go back to okay. Tata, how do you let me just put it back. Your question is yes? Kwe, yeah, this is your where, kwe. 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 Then the rest is there. You talking to sister, ask her where she's going, where is she going? Well,
okay. Candice Quay Kata Quinda.
yes, but talking to her, you're talking to her, yes.
Also, do I add in the Zandu or?
No. You fine.
Okay,
You fine.
so
Just you did. You okay. You used the third. But I want you to use second. You talk to her.
oh, okay. Quay Uta Quinda.
Bravo, sister. Your answer, please.
Kamaza Itakwenda.
Yeah, bravo. Kumaza could be wherever. Yeah, well done. Okay. Rhetorical question. Where are we going? Dr. David, rhetorical.
Mm-hmm.
Over to you.
Que luta quenda.
Sorry? We.
Oh, yeah.
Where are we going?
Que tuta quenda.
Bravo, yes. That's how you many. Where are you going? You people, where are you going?
Que Kuta Quinda. No, Que Lu. I'm sorry. Que Luta Quinda.
Well done. No worry. Yeah, Tata David, you answer on behalf of our group. Yeah, Tata David. We.
Yeah. Kuzandu luta quenda. If we're going to market.
We. The question was you many. The answer you asked.
Right, that's you. Luta is you. Kuzandu tuta quenda.
Yes, bravo. Yes, well done. Wow.
Okay, the luta is equals
they.
Okay, they are okay.
That's how. Have you written this down? That this are the.
That's what I was trying to tell you. I left it on vacation or something.
As long as the present continues, yeah. This one is applicable. Yes. Yes. Yeah. We are going to move slowly, bit by bit. Yes. Tutondele. Where yes. Nengwa Candace, over to you. They. Where are they going? Kwe is your where? Kwe.
Kwe Bata Kwenda.
Bravo, yes. Well done, sister. I understand now. It's not you, it was me, because that's why I have a grammar, Kikongo grammar, many books. So I have to find the common denominator, how you call it, to make sure that I make it easy, because the Kikongo is David, like King James language, yes, King James English. Kikongo is very hard. I mean, to the native they take for granted. See, since I started teaching 2 years ago, yeah, I discovered that it's hard, to teach it and to make it simple hard. Okay.
Just quick question: which other Bantu language is nearest to the Kikongo? Like, say for the Xhosa, and I know I'm not saying it right, and Zulu are very closely related. What is closely related to the Kikongo?
Kikongo, the language close to Kikongo are languages you find in Congo, DRC, and Angola. I could say Kimbundu, yes. Chiluba. Chiluba is the other side, DRC, yes.
Okay.
So you know Africa, good, well done.
Yeah, I'm trying to I'm trying to learn this. Yes.
Zulu, you know what Zulu, children of this of heaven.
Of the heaven.
On the heaven, yes. Yeah, according to Zulu language, but Zulu in Kikongo means heaven. Zulu, heaven or sky, yes. So, according to historians, I mean, there are many versions of the event. Congo people came from, you remember the massive migration? We all come from Egypt, yes? Mass migration going down, yes. They end up in South Africa, then they went up. So they landed, they stayed on the west, northwest of Namibia, yes. I mean, northwest of Angola. Yeah, Congo people. Sorry, my geography. I'm Central West Africa, yes. So hence, you have some words, Kikongo words in Zulu, all this stuff. Zulu is Kikongo as well. Yes. Tutondele. I'm going to remove this. So I'm just going to recap, going back to, I think we were fun with this one. Let me just see if I miss something. Okay. Yes. Okay, let me just remove this. Yes, I know now. I'm happy that sister is happy. Now it was not just me, because I mean, teaching is hard, Teaching, someone said that to teach children harder than adults, You have to simplify things. I mean, I'm not talking about you're not children. I mean, so teaching someone in this case in language, someone who is not native, obviously is not native. Okay, to go. That's how it is to go. In Kikongo, the verb to go.
Well.
We've done it. We've done it. Remember, kuzandu utakwenda. Kwenda. To go. Yeah. Kwenda. To come.
Kwiza.
To come. Kwiza. Do you want me to write it down? Let me just.
Yeah.
Okay, no. Kwenda. To go. Kwiza. To come. To come. Yes.
Okay.
That's it, yeah. To go. Sorry, 1 minute.
Kwiza.
Kwiza. Sister, yes? Kwenda to go, Kwiza to come.
Right, I have that.
Yeah.
How would you say to somebody just simply, please come?
I know the answer, but I'm trying to make it easy for you. Visa. Just ignore the K. Visa. Come, yes.
So Weezer means please come, or it just means come?
Yeah, come. Yeah, it means come. Yes.
But what about the please?
Oh, good question. Yeah. You tell me, Lenda Quiza. These are please in Kikongo.
Linda,
Remember?
Linda
please.
Yeah.
Okay.
We
But
English.
that's so strange because
Mhm.
Linda means can, right?
Yes, we use lenda. When we say we use lenda, we mean please. Yes, in Congo. I mean, we
Okay.
don't. It is Bantu language. I mean, this is our own way of talking. Lenda quiza, because I mean, I don't want to be harsh on ourselves, African, but generally speaking, we don't say please. Yeah, we don't use please
But
in
it's,
the sense we don't
Oh,
please.
you
Yeah.
don't even say that.
can come
No,
as a
no,
question.
no. There's no please in European language. We don't say please. But when
Oh,
you use
wow.
lend,
Plenty of thank you, though. Plenty of tutandele.
yeah, when you use lender, you are very formal. You're very educated in Kikongo. When you use the lender for please, yeah, lender quiza. Yeah.
Linda, please. Quiza.
Sister, are you okay on this one? Are you clear? Yes.
Yeah, I got it.
Lender quiza.
Linda Quiza.
Linda Quen, where Weezer. Linda Quiza, yeah. Weezer. If I say Weezer, come, yeah. Linda Quiza. Linda Quen, I mean, can you go? Yes. To Tondel. Okay, I leave it there to make it easy. I want to make it easy for you. Tata, I'm not going. Remember, we use double negative. We have a key on your left, on your far left, then ko on the other side. Negative, double negative.
It, wait.
Key,
Kieta.
key, then your verb, key. The verb is down. I'm not going.
Kikwenda ku.
Go, yes, correct. Yeah,
Kikwenda
Gikwenda,
ko.
yes. Yeah, Gikwenda, yes. Yeah, Gikwenda. Just your verb in the middle, you have your ki, key, far left, and ko, far right. Yes. Sister, I'm not coming.
Kilinda Quizako.
Yes, good, but
Kilindi.
you,
Kilindi Quizako.
yeah, good, but I just want to make it easy. Just drop the Lindy. I'm not coming. Just
Oh, Ki Quizako.
yes, well done. Yes,
So why do I not say Lindy?
you can use I can't come. I can't come. Lindy, I can't come. I'm not coming. Kikwizako. I can't come.
Okay. Okay, I got it.
Kilendi. Yeah, Kilendi Kwizako. Lenda, we were joking last time. Remember Lenda? Lenda, the other Dr. David, but now you know what Lenda, the explanation. Lenda.
Your audio dropped out on me for a moment. So, did you ask me a question?
No question. Can you see Lenda can,
Oh, okay.
Lendi can't, yes? But the word Lenda can mean the most beloved one, yes, in polygamy, according to Congo tradition, yes? The wife, one of the wives. Lenda is usually the last one. They say they're free, ladies. the youngest one. Usually the last one is the youngest. So we call them lender.
Linda.
Yeah.
Can.
Okay. Let's put this aside, but let us go back to our lesson. Lender, lendy. I'm not sure, sister didn't get that. Yeah, don't worry. Lender, you know the
Oh no,
lender?
no, I
Did you
got
get
it.
it? Lender, we have two lender. This is lender, Ken. The other lender, do you know the other lender? The meaning?
Linda, you said is like wife, which means the last wife, and then
Well
Linda
done.
I have means can.
Yeah, well done. Yeah, lender in
Or you said it could
polygamy.
mean please.
Yes, we use it for please. Yes. Lender quiza. Can you come? I mean, please come. Mm. When we say lender, we mean can at the same time. We mean please. Yes. Because usually we say quiza. Come. Okay. I can't come. Now you use your Nengwa cadence there. I can't come. Yeah, over to you. You
Oh,
know your grammar.
Kilendi Quizako.
Yeah, Kilendi quiz. I can't come. Yeah. I can't go, sister.
Okay, 1 second. I don't know if this is right. Kikwindako.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
But you dropping Lendi now. You should keep your Lendi.
Oh, Kilendi Quindako.
Yes, I can't go. Yes. Now
Okay.
we're going to add another, remember, pronoun of insistence. Yes. You know the first one, the first person, pronoun of insistence.
I didn't understand the question.
We have. Let me just try to remove this. We have remember pronouns of insistence. Aku, Andi, Teto, Eno, Au. You know this is so.
Oh, Enzo, Mambo, Enzo, Eto.
Ame, Aku, Andi. Ame, Aku, Andi.
I do have that in my notes.
Yeah, these are the. We call them.
Ami, Aku, Ito,
yeah.
Eno.
Yes.
And Awu.
Well done. Yes. These are the. I don't know how to define them. Let's just call them suffixes. Yes, because this usually they're all the suffixes anyway. So KW is your prefix. Ame, first person. Aku, second, so on.
Okay.
Kilendi Kwizako, I can't come. But if I mean it when I say I can't come at all, you have your prefix then. Yeah, well done. Yeah.
Kwindako.
Go. Okay, Kilendi Kwiza Kwameko. Kwame after a verb, yeah. Kwame after a verb.
Kilendi Kwiza. No, I'm sorry. Kilendi Kwiza Kwameko, is that right?
Correct, yes. I can't come at all, yes.
Okay.
Without it, yes. She can't. Sorry?
I'm trying to. I'm almost scared when you call my name, but go ahead.
Don't do that. you remind me my childhood. You know when we used to go to primary school. I mean, being in Africa, man. When the teacher said, "Come on, fans!" Oh no! You know that you are in trouble. Yeah. Okay. We are using now. Well done, sister. To go, kwenda, to come, kwiza, Kilendi kwenda ko. I can't go, but now we're going to use the pronoun of insistence. So a prefix there, KW, then you choose which one will be your suffix. So we're using the third person. He can't come at all. Okay. Your third
Are you talking to me?
Sorry, I was talking to brother. Sorry, sister.
Oh, okay.
You're fine. He's in trouble now. You are fine, sister.
That would be Kwame.
KW is your prefix. You choose from KW. Add one of those. So, which one is the third person? Third singular.
Kwandi.
Well done, Kwandi. Yeah, yes, Kwandi.
Kwandi.
Yeah. Yes. Can you say it again, please? He can't come at all.
Kwandi.
Kalendi.
Go ahead.
Kalendi.
Kalendi.
Quizako. Yeah, it's fine, but we want insistence. Kalendi Quiza Kwandiko.
Wait, say that again. I'm sorry.
Now you have it there. You just adding your suffix Andy. You have your prefix KW. See on the screen. Your prefix is KW.
Also, if I was to say Kwandi.
Yes. Kwandi is KW made up of KW and your Andy. Yes, the Andy.
Yeah. Kwandi. Lindy Quinzico.
Lindy Quiza Kwandiko. Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Lindy Quiza Kwandiko.
Oh, yes. I'm sorry. So Kwandi is actually last. I'm sorry. So I was saying it wrong.
After the verb, you have the one of those. Yes. Okay. Well done. We're done for today. Let's call it today. Unless there's a question.
I have a quick question.
Go ahead, sister.
So the Andy in Kwandi is he or she, right?
Yes, because I'm a first person, Aku second, Andy, Eto, Eno, Au.
Okay, yes. I got it.
Yeah, you from your prefix is KW. It could be Kwame, Kwaku, Kwandi, Kweto, Kweno, Kwao. Yes, is it clear?
Yes.
Well done, Tutondele. Remember, brother Audrey, Jazz from Kongo Kingdom, yes.
Yes.
This is a legacy, ancestor legacy, We need to say thank you to them, yes. They remember after jazz came, many music genres were born, yes, after jazz. Tutondele, thank you very much for your time. Luenda Kambote.
Tutondele.
Sama Kimbote.
Thank you.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibudi matu uwidi ikonzo dienu Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mikansi Congo diatungwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mikansi Congo diatungwa
Pipa narra uma história que tá gravando na minha memória. África foi sempre linda, o nosso falo do Mwanza até Ebela. Onde que vende Kikongo. Twendava na tenda Congo lovana sanda o mono infwanda. Luiza empangizeto yeta wonso katuke Congo. Tala eki nkuluketo kaende nsangu omuza bimba. E mwana Congo kalegezi songe ngangu yeki nkulukiaku. Arrima toko jojola, arrima toko jojola. Sopai do Emerson King.
Que no luvo vangabo Congo diafwa. Que no luvo vangabo Congo diafwa. Bizatala kwenwe. Eya la kuru bizatala kwenwe. Que kulungi bikansi Congo diatungwa. Que no luvo vangabo Congo diafwa. Que no luvo vangabo Congo diafwa. Bizatala kwenwe. Eya la kuru bizatala kwenwe. Que kulungi bikansi Congo diatungwa.
Sou tipo Sócrates, tudo que vou fazer hoje ficará marcado na memória. Se o jogo já está no fim, agora chega, vou buscar vitória. Que Mavunga é minha terra, banda sagrada para todo mundo. Para o vosso consciente, cortei a corrente, voltei bem quente e diferente. Instalei um circuito fechado, muitos tentaram, lhes deu errado. Como diz o belo ditado, a Congo não falha, mas sim atrasa. Tata, moana, eu sou pai, então não se engana. Se o poder não se dá, a cultura banto não se esquece. Terra do mano em Totila, quem conhece Nini e Alukeni. Ou melhor, Zinganguvu, Mama Kimpavita. Terra dos assimilados, Afonso I, Simão Kimbangu. Pulumbinga Lando Vitor, Antônio Dembo, Tetelando também Samanguana. Terra de Makuta Mkondo, Yannick Ngomba e Tatangana. Onde fica mercado do Luvo, Pulumbimbi e o Yalanku. Pedra do Fitizo e também a ponta do padrão. Os falos de Mbanda Congo, o patrimônio mundial da cultura. General sem passadores. Mapuntuala, Tata Mandila Massanda. Moana Cassanda de Mbau, que mafundo, uasa.
Que no luvo vangabo Congo diafwa. Que no luvo vangabo Congo diafwa. Bizatala kwenwe. Eya la kuru bizatala kwenwe. Que kulungi bikansi Congo diatungwa.
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecer o patrimônio, venha conhecer o Culumbimbi em Banza onde está.
Agradecemos a todos aqueles que preservam a cultura nacional. A Sua Excelência Governador da Província do Zaire, ao Conselho de Ancião e o seu responsável do Lumbo, Afonso Mendes, Papá Matalulu, Farmácia Salaquaco, chefe de Bete, a FEPRO, elenco do 6, do Budulama todo, com luta muito socorro.
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecer o patrimônio, venha conhecer o Culumbimbi em Banza onde está.
Congo,
Ndundundu zipelekete muna Congo. Bila kese tunamona muna Congo. Bila makinu tunakina muna Congo. Patata visa tunakweto muna Congo. Mama visa tunakweto muna Congo. Oluzolele kumamu meno muna Congo. Mono ngele kombe muna Congo. Kendika ngele kwenda muna Congo. Oh mono ngele kombe muna Congo. Mono ngele kombe muna Congo.
Mundira Congo. Mundira Congo. Mundira Congo mongere lubuirwame. Lubuirwame kugira ngebangu zambe. Ebangu zambe njaira ngengola zambe. Engola zambe sezele bana yanga. Ebana yanga mone kende nyoka moyo. Enyoka moyo nikele mwana numba. Mwana numba bokere bo waikate. Muna Congo. Waikate. Muna Congo. Waikate. Muna Congo. Waikate. Muna Congo. Muna Congo mone kende ngoma tamu. Ngoma tamu sisange pakudundu. Pakudundu pelekete pakudundu. Pakudundu pelekete pakudundu. Pakudundu pelekete pakudundu. Pakudundu. Moyo nikele mwana numba. Mwana numba bokele bo waikate. Muna Congo. Waikate. Muna Congo. Waikate. Muna Congo. Waikate. Muna Congo. Mone kene ngoma tamu. Ngoma tamu sisange pakudundu. Pakudundu pelekete pakudundu. Pakudundu pelekete pakudundu. Pakudundu pelekete pakudundu. 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 Mundira Congo. Mundira Congo. Mundira Congo bokere lubuirwame. Lubuirwame kungira ngebangu zambe. Ebangu zambe njaira ngengola zambe.